Christmas Eve, baby. Happy Christmas Eve, Papa.
Happy Christmas Eve.
Happy Christmas Eve, Daddy.
Brilliant.
Woohoo! Well done, Lana. Yay!
Lovely little dress.
It is a nice dress, isn't it? Pop, can I put your tights on now and so we can have breakfast? Oh, what a life to lead, eh?
She said, oh no, mummy.
Oh, you're going to run to Dad now.
Thank you.
Come, Papa, let's put your tights on.
Ready? Market. Bakery where they make the bread. Bread. The greengrocers where you get your vegetables. Carrot, pepper, sweet corn, peas, broccoli, aubergine. The butchers where you get your sausages. Not pork, thank you. The sweet shop where you get your chocolate. Forget that.
Yeah.
Toy shop where someone would get a present, but not you because you're too naughty. And that is a steamy loaf. Come on. Come on your way. Daddy's busy. Oh, okay.
Right, so we're off to the woods for a nice walk on Christmas Eve, isn't it, Pup? Are you excited? Yeah, it was just a spontaneous thing. My husband thought we'd go for a nice walk, so that's what we're going to do. Yeah. You excited? Yeah. Bless her. Yeah, off we go. Off we go. We're at the woods now. Oh, my baby girl's growing up. Look at her. Oh, well done, Lana Bear. So this is where we're at. We've gone to the Camford Heath Local Nature Reserve. Oh, is it too much, Papa? Bless you. Is it too much? Lovely day. Whew. Yeah, today's like a chill day, as you can tell, you know. It's really nice, just enjoying the day. Christmas Eve. I can't believe it's come around so quickly. Oh, it's very muddy. Hey, baby. You okay? You're doing so well, darling. Love you. Wow, Lana May, you're doing so well. No, because she's a big girl. She's 18 months now. She doesn't need to hold hands, does she?
Are you 18 months?
You are. Oh, she wants you to pick her up. She wants you to pick a bird. It's too muddy.
Too muddy for what?
For my pup.
Come on, mate.
Come on. We're walking in the woods. We're walking in the woods. Me? She was dancing. Whew. It's so nice and crisp, isn't it? Beautiful. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. You're not afraid, are you, Pop? Yeah, walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Yeah.
Come on then, Popsy.
You're a little brave girl, aren't you?
Give it a kiss.
Woo, good daddy kiss kiss.
Mwah.
Good girl.
That wasn't a lot of fingering.
No, no, she's like, I've had enough.
Did I scare you, pup?
Yeah. It got a bit scary, didn't it? Here is Bear Grylls himself.
Here is Bear Bollocks.
Burge. Well, I never. Are you having a good Christmas Eve so far, babe?
It is wonderful. I just wish I wasn't lurgied.
Yeah.
But it's going. I'm definitely improving.
Good.
Hopefully by the
Yay! It's raining now, guys. But it's lovely.
It feels nice, yeah.
It does feel nice, doesn't it?
Lovely.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Very muddy. Lana has done so well. I'm really proud of you, baby.
Yeah, you're a champion walker.
She is a champion walker. She's fearless. Aren't you, pup?
You're the amazing pup.
When's the last time I lose to you, Sullivan?
Worthington and Wazowski to the starting line.
Cat's got tomato. Pass the sauce all over it.
What, on her cat?
Yeah.
Oops. Pup, have you passed the sauce on your cat?
It's all pasted up, isn't it, pup?
Great. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. We're just chilling at home. Mummy's having a naughty... Is it amaretto? Amaretto and Prosecco. Why not? It's Christmas Eve. And yes, I am wearing Lana's bow tie. Not bow tie. Okay, this is going right to my head. Not bow tie, her bow. Yeah. She's had enough of it. So we're just chilling, really. Excuse the lying. We're just chilling at home. I'm just warming up my food. Gonna have something nice to eat. And that's it. We're just gonna enjoy family time. So I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. The best Christmas and New Year ever. I might vlog tomorrow, I might not. Oh yeah, my laptop is broken. My mobile is broken. Everything I decided last, I think 5 days ago, to just pack up on me. So I'm not even going to upload this now. This is going to be, I don't even know when this is going up. I'm just so frustrated. This is, oh, so slow. Anyway, have a fantastic Christmas, a lovely New Year, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye. Oh. It's going to be fun opening up presents, isn't it, pup? This girl's watching some festive cartoon. Papa! We went for a nice midnight, well not midnight, late night walk in the park. It was lovely. Lana really enjoyed it. It's me, her and Daddy, the three of us. It was so much fun. Look who's here.
Happy Christmas, Mr. Palmer. Say Happy Christmas,
Happy
Mr.
Christmas
Palmer.
Eve.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, bruv.
And look what he's got. Some naughty beers. I don't know who's that for.
Do you want a beer or do you want a bourbon and coke?
Say bye, babe. For good.
With
For real this time.
Ice of lime.
Say bye for real.
Bye for real.
No, I've been bad.
That's alright now. I've been worse.
No, it's the day before yesterday, Frank.
Bye,
I was
baby.
stressed out.
Say bye-bye, Lana.
Big argument with Kate. Big argument, and then I went out, and I was just planned on just getting...
Oh, let's just zoom out. Oh, that ain't pretty. Okay, guys. Bye for good this time. I'm not for good, but a proper bye. Later. Go, puppy. Woo! Dance out. Don't always talk about...
Look at that booty rider.
Woo!
Look
Go,
at them
puppy,
legs,
puppy,
pup.
puppy. Puppy and the puppy won't stop. Oh no! Just be good to me. Woo! Woo! Look at that footwork. Wow. Woo! That's some serious footwork, pup. Wow. To me. Just be good to me.